today's trade. I outlined it in the Candace ES channel, but the trade I took today was off of a bounce off of a 30-minute demand. So here was that level. As you can see, this is the 9 o'clock candle and this is the 9:30 candle. So when the market opened, it gave us this 30-minute demand. It formed then. Prior to that, this level was not here. And we were watching the level below and the level above. So after this demand zone formed, as you can see, price came down and gave us a nice little bounce. But let's look at it on a lower time frame where I actually took the trade. So this area here is where the demand formed. Be careful. As you can see, the 30-minute is still a smaller time frame, and this demand hit on the very next candle, the 10 to 10:30 candle. So all this happened between 9 and 10 o'clock. So make sure that you're kind of like watching your candles. So like this is the 10 o'clock candle. So after this candle would have been when we could have started looking for a move down into the zone. So as you can see, price moved around. We had this strong push down. It was almost, like seeming like compared to the rest of the stuff moving horizontal, it was like a seemingly vertical drop down. This candle came not very far, just this far into the zone, and I took it up for about 10 points. Now that was only from this area to this area. Then we came back in, retested the zone, and bounced for an even higher profit. This was like close to 40 points. After that, price came down and again touched the zone and bounced for like another 20-25 points or so before finally coming through and breaking the zone. Now, the reason I say like I like 30-minute demands, they're usually typically like very reliable. As you can see, this one gave us a nice move. Come down here later in the day, the 12 and 12:30 candle gave us a demand zone here. And what happened? Price came back into that level and bounced up again, back up to test the end of that initial 30-minute that we had. Then we got a 30-minute supply right here. And what happened? Supply zone came back up, tapped into the supply zone, and sold off. So I really, 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 if I don't have any levels that are close to price at the start of the day, do not be afraid to trade 30-minute levels that form during the day because they are usually very reliable. Now, if I keep going on the 1 minute, we also had a couple of nice bounces off of the 6-hour level here and then off of the 1 hour level that was inside.